hidden deep in the heartland of Yoruba land, between the territories that would become Oyo and Osun states, once stood a small but thriving village, Araromi-Oke. You're listening to Urban Whispers, where the strange and the spectral are never far behind. Known for its close-knit community, fertile farmlands, and deep-rooted traditions, it was a place where life followed the gentle rhythm of the seasons. But in 1957, something happened that would change its fate forever. One morning, without warning and without any trace, the village simply vanished. Before we uncover the mystery of Araromi-Oke, take a moment to subscribe to our channel so you never miss stories that uncover the strangest and most chilling events in history. Setting the scene. In the years before its disappearance, Araromi-Oke was a picture of rural Yoruba life. The early mornings were filled with the sounds of roosters crowing and the rhythmic clang of pestles against mortars. Farmers tilled the red earth, planting yams and maize in neat rows. Children ran barefoot across dusty paths, their laughter carrying across the village square. Elders sat beneath the shade of ancient trees, sharing stories passed down for generations. Life here was simple, familiar, and steady, until the day it stopped. The disappearance. It was an ordinary morning in 1957, or so it seemed. But when neighboring villagers came to trade goods and visit friends, they were met with a sight so strange it would burn itself into local memory. Araromi-Oke was empty. The huts still stood. Cooking pots sat over fires, meals half prepared. Palm wine was still fresh in calabashes, untouched. Market stalls were neatly arranged, as if their owners had only stepped away for a moment. But there were no people, no voices, no footsteps, not even a sign of struggle. The only living creature left was a single goat, standing stubbornly in the center of the abandoned village square, staring blankly as if it too could not understand what had happened. Mysteries and speculations. There were no bodies, no blood, no sign of forced departure. There were also no official records of relocation, no tales of an attack or disease outbreak. The mystery seemed total. In the absence of evidence, stories began to grow. Some whispered that the villagers had broken a sacred covenant with a deity, and in retribution, the gods had claimed them all. Others believed the land itself was cursed, a place where spirits could compel entire communities to vanish. A few even spoke of strange lights in the sky on the night before the disappearance, a detail too bizarre for many to believe, yet too persistent in retellings to ignore. Whatever the truth, it seemed Araromi-Oke had been erased in a single day. Cultural echoes and legacy. Today, nothing remains of Araromi-Oke but overgrown land and the echo of questions unanswered. In the minds of those who still tell its tale, the lone goat remains there, watching, waiting, as if holding a secret no one will ever know. Araromi-Oke, lost in a single day, remembered for generations. What really happened here? The silence speaks, and the mystery endures. If you've heard other versions of the Araromi-Oke story, share them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more haunting histories and urban whispers from around the world.